Hi Taurus, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing the last love bite for the month. Let's see what wants to show through for you today, Taurus. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Taurus, welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And if you're new here, Taurus, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Taurus, let's see what's going on. Feeling a bit impatient, juggling, wanting to come out of stress and tension. Feeling very ungrounded and upset, things to have totally gone in a different direction. All right, but wanting victory, keeping your boundaries up. Maybe you've been dealing with an emperor in reverse earlier. So that's what the anger and upset and feeling ungrounded is all about. But you've got your strength up. You are keeping your guard up, you are keeping your boundaries up, and I think going on, to becoming the best version of yourself as the Nine of Pentacles energy. This is somebody who's single, who's abundant, can take care of themselves, and they really don't need anyone, especially not an emperor in reverse, who's controlling and, keeping them bound and chained and my way or the highway, and always making the other person feel angry and upset and ungrounded. So I don't know what's going on here, but before I clarify these cards, Taurus, I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first. So Taurus and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Taurus and this person, if they could say something to each other. Thank you. And I'm going to take a few from here, Taurus. Taurus and their person. Okay. And we'll take a couple from here as well. Taurus and their person. Okay, that's enough, I think. Let's begin your reading, Taurus. The first one here says, "It's so frustrating the way you compare me to others. I'm not like anyone else. My success is not measured by status or material items. I'm unique, authentic, proud of who I am. Why don't you just see me, my heart, and my soul?" I can't believe how much time we've wasted on bullshit. I eventually had to let go of you in the physical world because the pain became sorry. What happened here? I eventually had to let go in the physical world because the pain became too much for me to bear. Sorry, I'm going to repeat this again. I just got distracted by the choking in my throat. I eventually had to let go in the physical world because the pain became too much for me to bear. My emotional, mental, and physical well-being became affected negatively, like this. Okay? Feeling very unbalanced and unhealed. I'm still fighting my own inner demons where I felt that I wasn't good enough for you, and the guilt of wondering if I walked away too soon. This is typical feelings that a person can go through dealing with an emperor in reverse. Always feeling not good enough, there are better people for me there, and always feeling juggled and never been given a priority. So this person is healing themselves from that now. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave inner peace right now. My soul just feels unsettled. Unsettled. During our separation, our love has only grown stronger. I long to see you again and unite as one. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I caused you. Can you ever forgive me? I'm silent due to going through the dark night of the soul. I feel like an emotional roller coaster and don't have the strength to communicate with you right now. You seem distant, not yourself. I feel you pulling away from me. Don't let the past dictate the future. I think somebody is now realizing they don't have to stay in this past toxic energy and gain victory in their own life by taking care of themselves. So, Taurus, if this seems like your reading, let's start clarifying these cards. First, I'm going to take an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading, what advice they have, blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Forgiveness. Yes, Taurus, I think this is a time for whoever this person is who's always felt ungrounded, the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, to forgive themselves. Forgive themselves for if they've ever felt maybe they were not good enough, or somebody made them feel bad, if they doubt themselves, they have any insecurities, please know this is not your fault. Never ever blame yourself for someone else's inconsistent or bad behavior. Okay, and from your heart forgive this person also, because if you carry this pain into the future, like this card says, don't let your past dictate your future. So forgiveness is required now. Alright, so let's start clarifying these cards, Taurus. Two of Pentacles, Spirit. Two of Pentacles for Taurus. One more. Somebody wants to maybe have a brand new beginning here, but there's so much of conflict, maybe within their own mind. There's a lot of juggling, there's a lot of back and forth. Somebody is feeling quite tired here, from what I feel. Tired and feeling that what if it backfires on me? Taurus, give me a second. I forgot to switch my phone off. Give me 1 second. I'm so sorry, Taurus. Forgive me. My mistake. I should have done it before. So, like I was saying, somebody is quite at a standstill almost because of that conflict, not feeling brave enough to make a decision, feeling what if, I make a decision and it backfires on me, feeling quite unsettled. Temperance in reverse. Temperance in reverse. Yes, lacking the motivation right now to do anything. They know they should turn their back on a certain situation, but a little afraid right now that if they move towards something new, things can backfire on them, or end up being more of a conflict than anything else. Whoever this person is, the Queen of Wands in reverse, Queen of Pentacles in reverse, this is one person. They are angry, they're upset, but they do want to come out of this self-imposed prison that they've put themselves. They do fear, I think, some gossip. The gossip that may happen if they made a choice. If they made a choice to end something. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Queen of Pentacles in reverse. Whoever this Queen of Pentacles is, Taurus, I feel bad for this person, because this person had a lot of fire in them, and maybe at one point beautiful and excited about life, and they do want that again. But they feel life didn't kind of invest in them properly, or their person didn't. they crave healing. They crave healing. They want to go back to the feeling the way they used to be. But right now they feel their life has become totally stagnant. And they don't know what they should do to get that fire back, to get that will, to get that happiness back in their life. This person is looking for balance and healing at the moment. They are not sure how, and that makes them very angry, very frustrated, because they feel their life has been taking an opposite direction, going a wrong turn instead of going towards. They feel somehow this person is kind of giving up the fight, almost angry. They don't want to fight anymore. All they wanted was, I think, some stability in their life, some happiness in their life, but they feel their partner never put in the work. And yes, there was no emotional happiness that was granted. Even though this could have been a marriage or a long-term partnership or something, there's no emotional happiness, and that kind of frustrates or angers this Queen of Wands. So what's the Six of Swords in reverse, Spirit? See again the Queen of Pentacles in reverse. This is somebody who feels ungrounded. This person who doesn't feel respected. This is a person who doesn't feel, they are cherished. They feel my life has not given me what I deserve. I had dreams, I had hopes. So now there is a Six of Wands here. What's that, Spirit? Six of Wands. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, all right. So things are getting better here. Nine of Wands. Nine of Wands. Very good. And the Nine of Pentacles. Okay, all right. So yes, Taurus, whoever this person is, I think they've kind of forgiven themselves, or they should, or they're going to very soon. This person is going to be victorious now. I think they have done whatever they had to do. They've dealt with whoever was negative in their life. I think this person is going to achieve a lot of victory, because now they are kind of acknowledging that they deserve to be happy. This person is going to now start concentrating on their own self, putting up boundaries against any of these dictators that are coming towards them. I'm not allowing you in. I've put my boundaries up now. You're not going to play me again. You're not going to be my boss. You're not going to make me feel small anymore. I'll never feel that I'm not good enough, because I am. I am acknowledging I'm fabulous. I'm victorious. I can take care of myself. I'm still beautiful. Right? And that's the way I think this Queen of Pentacles is going to transform their life. They're going to be attracting positive movement into their life, where the Wheel of Fortune, which seemed stuck earlier, is going to start moving again. They are now coming into their own now, Taurus. This could be you, right? So you're coming into your own. You're passing judgment on whoever has been this Emperor in reverse in your life. You're not wanting a second chance with them. You are refusing a reconciliation with them. You don't want to work together with this person anymore. And if they do come towards you with any kind of an offer, it's going to be a no. I can do it by myself. I'm good enough. That's what you're saying. Okay, so the minute you start forgiving yourself and acknowledging the beautiful person that you are, the Wheel of Fortune starts moving in your favor. So that's all I have for you, Taurus. Very well done. See you next time. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.